What's the meaning of cheerleader? Cheerleader. Cheerleader.
Cheerleader. Cheerleader. A cheerleader is a person, usually a young woman, who performs energetic cheers and chants to support a sports team or organization. Their role is to encourage and motivate the fans and players through their performance, often involving acrobatic stunts, dance routines, and pom-poms. Cheerleading has evolved into a popular competitive activity in its own right, with teams competing at national and international levels. Cheerleaders are valued for their athleticism, energy, and enthusiasm, and are seen as an integral part of the sporting experience for many fans.